Addictive Onigiri and creamy miso soup, Japanese breakfast. $90 of rice. Rinse the rice and drain. Add 120 grams of water to the rinsed rice. Add a half tablespoon of sake. This will make the rice taste even better. Mix well, then cook the rice. $100 of cucumber. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Three-quarter teaspoon Shantung or your favorite bouillon or stock. 3/4 teaspoon sugar. 3/4 teaspoon rice vinegar. 3/4 teaspoon sesame oil. 1 teaspoon ground sesame seeds. 1/3 teaspoon grated garlic. 1/3 teaspoon grated ginger. 1/3 to 1/2 teaspoon ichimi togarashi or cayenne pepper. Mix well. Pickled cucumber is ready. $50 cabbage. Cut into bite-sized pieces. $30 onion. Roughly chopped. $30 carrot. Cut into bite-sized pieces. $10 green onions. Finely chopped. Half sheet of fried tofu, 油揚げ. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Medium heat. Reduce to low heat once boiling. 1 egg. Make a boiled egg using your preferred method. A slightly firm soft boiled egg is recommended. $150 ml of water. Half tablespoon of sake. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Half teaspoon Shantung or your preferred bouillon or stock. Add the chopped carrots. Add the chopped onion. Add the chopped cabbage. Add the chopped fried tofu. Add the pre-made soup base. Simmer over medium heat until ingredients are tender. $100 ml of soy milk. Regular milk is fine. Soy milk can taste bad if overcooked, so add it when all ingredients are cooked through. Also, only warm the soy milk lightly. 1 tablespoon of miso. Add after turning off the heat. creamy miso soup is ready. $40 of bell pepper. Finely chopped. Half sheet of fried tofu, 油揚げ. Cut into small pieces. One teaspoon of mirin. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Pinch of dashi powder. Mix well. Medium heat. Half teaspoon vegetable oil. Add the chopped bell pepper. Add the chopped fried tofu. Add the pre-made sauce. Mix the cooked ingredient with 200 grams of cooked rice. Form into rice balls using your preferred method. Shape into triangles. Prepare nori seaweed. Lightly toasting it over a flame enhances the flavor. Addictive onigiri is ready. Add a half-cut boiled egg to the creamy miso soup. Add a finely chopped green onion. Serve the pickled cucumber. Addictive onigiri and creamy miso soup Japanese breakfast. Enjoy!